Welcome back. Check this out. Front's looking really good. Really, really good. We got grass growing in those spots. We got grass growing over here. We got grass growing right here. The spot that's down there that we fixed, it's growing. Let's check over here. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, look at that. Starting to fill in there. Starting to fill in a little bit here. That was the last dry spot that we fixed though. The one that didn't have as much, the last one I just showed you. But yeah, everything's looking fantastic. And then check it out, look back here. This whole area is filling in. Yeah, it looks spotty right now, but I mean, it's coming in. And then over here, it's totally fixed. Remember, all of this was messed up all the way over there. Totally almost filled in. And then same thing with this spot right here. You can see it. See if I can show you up close. You can see it coming in. Just a bunch of ones popping up there. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to get down ammonium sulfate, and then after we do that, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to test 2 areas with the Primo Maxx, and we'll see what we can we'll see if it works good. The first area that I'm going to put it in is right here. I'm going to cut this sidewalk strip after we put down the AMS. You can see where my neighbor cut right here. So this section we're going to test with the Primo Maxx. So the ammonium sulfate, I'm going to go light just because we've been seeding. I'm going to go like 1 pound per 1,000 square feet. And then if we do nitrogen blitz and we get into that, then of course, you know, we'll keep going up. I've got some liquid stuff that's good for that too. But we'll see. I did nitrogen blitz last season, and I think it worked pretty good because when I did the soil test at the beginning of the season, there was nothing in it. So I guess it used what it needed. I guess it used the nitrogen, I don't know. But does it really work? I have no idea. I mean, my grass looked better than it's ever looked, and I've never done nitrogen blitz except for twice. The first time I did it, I just ran out and gave up. Last season, I kept using the ammonium sulfate, and this just, I think it's like a 21. I don't see it right now. I'm not sure where it is, but it's like a 21, maybe a 2800, something like that. That one I like to spray. Yeah, it worked, I think. I don't know. I guess. But that's all we're going to be doing today. Super simple. It's like 90 right now. So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, you know what? That reminds me here. On the side here, this is actually the #1 place where I need my grass not to grow like crazy. And that's all it does. And it's because it's in the shade. And it's actually, you can't really tell right now, but because I just cut it 2 days ago. But we're going to cut this again, use the Primo Maxx in this area, and then we're going to use the Primo Maxx on that sidewalk strip down there. I'm going to cut the sidewalk strip. I'm going to cut the side here. Then we'll get the AMS down. Then we'll test out the Primo Maxx. All right, here's the formula for AMS, and let's go. All right, got everything done, except for the Primo Maxx. We're gonna go do that right now. Here's the Primo Maxx, all right? So here's the formula for it. All right, well, now you know what you need to know about the Primo Maxx. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I think I am. I'm gonna apply this on the sidewalk strip out there in the front that we just mowed, and on the side right there where we just mowed as well. And then I went ahead and mowed the back, and I mowed some of the front over here. I just avoided some of those dry spots that we fixed, and got the AMS down everywhere. So we should be good with that. Let's go ahead and let's test out this plant growth regulator. Let's see if this helps. Let's go. It's hot. Just got everything done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to let those two areas, they're in a separate zone than everything else, where I put the Primo down. I'm gonna let those areas sit for about an hour or something like that, and then maybe a little longer, and then I'll water it in. But over here, right here in the front, where we got the AMS down, and in the back, I'm gonna go ahead and water this zone and then that back zone. I have 4 zones, and the sides of the house run on these front ones. So if I turn this side on over here where we sprayed, all of this will get wet. So we're just doing that zone, and then that's it. And yeah, we did a little mow. We got some AMS down, and then we started our fall nitrogen blitz, even though it's hot as heck, and it's definitely still summer. Kind of started it. Yeah, we got everything done. That was a pretty easy day. I'm still letting these dry spots fill in, and they're working. And we'll see how this AMS does and the Primo. And then next video, we're gonna get down some of the sea kelp and something else, can't think of it right now. But yeah, we're gonna keep testing. Here's what it looks like on the side here. You see that consistent shade. Look at this. No shade over here on my side, always shade on this side. So it grows like crazy. But yeah, we got it down right here, and then I brought it all the way out to this first dry spot right here, and then we got the sidewalk strip down here. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm gonna keep mowing like every day, and then I'll get over on the bent grass too. I got some more bent grass seed on the way. It's filled in quite nice. I keep cutting it. We'll do a video this week of that as well. Man, it is hot, but I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, just gonna get this watered in the front. Peace. Thanks for watching.